Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing part one of my closet clean out. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I filmed this already. I don't know where it went, but I do not have that clip anymore. So I can't show you a video of the before. I'm going to insert a photo here so that you can see what it looked like. And then we're going to get into actually decluttering everything. The first thing I like to do when I declutter any area is take everything out of the space. So I'm completely emptying every single shelf, including the bins, and I'm putting it all on the floor where I can really see what I have and go through every single piece before I put it all back into my closet. All right, this is all of the clothing. These three bins and then this one are all full of products, and then those are clothes as well as obviously all of those. Now that I have everything on the floor, I'm just going through the bins and making sure everything can be separated by category so then I can go through it. So all of my workout clothes go in the bins, all of my denim and then all of my sweaters are separated out. And I was just trying to quickly go through them, fold them by category so that my sweaters and my sweatshirts were separated so that when I go through it, I can really see how many of each item I have as I'm going through. Now that everything is separated, I am just going through my denim here, looking at the pieces, what I want to keep and what I don't. And I honestly am keeping some things that don't even fit me right now because I am trying to lose some weight. And so I have jeans that fit me before that don't anymore right now. And then I'm obviously getting rid of some of them, which those will be on my Poshmark. And then I was going through all of my workout leggings. I wear almost every single pair of my workout leggings, so I wasn't getting rid of any of them. I was just kind of going through folding and making sure that they were nice and organized in my bins instead of being a complete mess. Next, I went through all of the sweaters and I just wanted to go through some of them I love, like this sweater. I love it. I just don't wear it. So I am going to be decluttering a lot of these, putting them on my Poshmark and letting someone else love them because I just don't need everything. So again, that one is such a good one from Abercrombie. And I just think a lot of these can be loved by someone else since I don't get enough use out of them, but I wanted to make sure every single thing in my closet is something that I get a ton of use out of. So I'm just really fine-tuning all of my pieces right now. That big pile on the left that I'm adding to, that is all pieces I have decluttered. And right now I'm just folding up some of my workout and sleep tops. I have so many tank tops because I sleep in them and then some of them I work out in. So I'm just kind of separating and going through and folding everything. So again, it can be really, really organized inside of the bins and I can see exactly what I have. This is the denim that I'm keeping. I like to fold all of it. What I do is fold the leg up in half and then fold it in half again, and I make sure that the seams, like the butt, is on the same side every time so that every single pair looks really uniform when they're folded in a stack. You will see them in the closet in a minute, but I just like to make sure everything looks as seamless and clean as possible so that it just gives me that nice clean decluttered look. And I do like to try to get all of the wrinkles and everything out as I'm folding them. And then I'm just putting them in categories based on sizes and a style. So I'm putting my bins back in, and then I did want to put my denim. So I have one stack is boyfriend jeans and my flares, so just kind of different pairs. One stack is skinnies, and then one stack is jeans that don't fit me right now but are going to fit me soon. And then I just wanted to fold all of my sweaters and make sure those were all uniform as well. And I'm folding them by style and then by color. And you can see I'm kind of going through the process of figuring out what way I wanted to organize them, just because it's hard to decide until you see it in the space. So I will kind of play around with it a little bit just to get it perfect. I'm now going through the bins. The first one is my travel accessories. I am tossing these packing cubes to the side just because they aren't matching and I have a matching set that's sitting on top. And then I also have the jewelry organizer and then my makeup case. I will link all of these down below. I like to keep a couple of things in that. This is a little travel lint roller, and then I've got some pouches that I use for different things every time I travel. So I just want to make sure everything in here is functional. It's something that I use, and it is very organized on top, which is the best part. So everything fits in here perfectly, and then I just want to go through all of the product bins. I have so many products. I am not going to talk through all of these products. I'm going through some of them, putting some in a giveaway pile. Some of them are things that I want to test out myself. Some of them are things that I have opened and will give away to a friend or donate. So I'm just going to go through that entire process right now. A lot of these products are duplicates and things that I will use, so I'm putting the things that I'm keeping back inside of the bin, and then I'm leaving a couple out that I want to start trying immediately, but everything that goes back in the bin will go back in the closet for now as a backup or something that I will choose after I run out of something similar. The last bin is full of a ton of hair stuff. I decluttered my hair stuff and a lot of it I wanted to keep and then go through it. And so this is the second round of going through all of it. I do get rid of a lot of it, but I also keep some. A lot of it is like half used, so I just need to run through it once I finish one of the products of that same category. So I'm putting the stuff that I'm keeping back in the bin, and that will be the third bin for the top row. And then this last bin that I'm packing up right now is all giveaway or donation stuff. Where I left off last time was this shelf still needs to be cleaned out. Then these are all cleaned. The bins are clean and this area needs to be cleaned out. So I'm gonna pull all of this out and all of this out and go through it. I also have these 3 bins that are good to go. So this is all of my travel stuff. This is all backups or things that I haven't tried yet, and these are all hair products that I need to use up. So all 3 of these bins are going to go back in the closet. In these piles, it's a little bit different. The bottom was a lot of things that I just need to put away. This is a purchase that I made that didn't fit, and I'm looking to see if I can still return it, which I can. I need to do that immediately. I'm notorious for accidentally missing the return window. And then in this airy bag, it's just a bunch of stuff that was clean that I never hung up. It's lazy, yes. And then I've got trash and recycling that I'm just starting to put into that airy bag. An H&M purchase that I missed the return window on. And then I realized after going through a couple things in this box that all of that was giveaway stuff. And then that Kula tanner had leaked all over the place. So I got rid of it, and then I'm just going through a couple more things in these boxes. I also quickly realized that this whole box was full of giveaway stuff, so I just combined them and set them to the side for now. I like to keep my shoe boxes because I do declutter shoes and I do sell a lot of them on Poshmark, and I like to be able to sell them with the box, and then I just like to store them as well. So I'm just putting the boxes that I'm keeping down on that very bottom part of my closet. All right, I know it still looks like a mess. These are my scarves I'm obviously going to keep, and I'm just going to put those in the closet. This is my Gucci bag from getting my handbag. I don't know what to do with it. I do want to keep it. I just don't know what to do with it. This pile and that pile just need to be hung up. And then this box, this bin, and that box are all giveaway, donate, see if a friend wants. And then this whole pile right here and that pile are both going to go on Poshmark, or I'm going to go through them and put them on Poshmark. And then this bag is trash and recycling, and these products just need to go in the closet. I ended up emptying out this last bin of just giveaway stuff, and I'm going to put this right there. So this is my final look at my closet. It feels so much better and it looks so good. So I just have a couple of shoeboxes under here, which I do like to keep just because I do sell stuff after seasons, and sometimes if I'm storing things for the winter, like these are winter boots, I'll just put them in there after the season so that they're stored. Anyway. This shelf, I have my scarves in this bin, workout tops and sports bras, and then workout leggings. I have my denim on this shelf, and then I have sweaters up here, sweatshirts and like thick long sleeve tees, and then up here I have refills, products I don't use very often but want to work through, and then my travel stuff. I'm interrupting before my outro to just say I'm going to be linking my Poshmark down below in the bottom bar in case you're interested. All of the stuff in those piles will be listed on Poshmark. I'm going to try and work on it this week and this weekend, so definitely check out everything over there. Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. Stay tuned. I'm sure some things will change just because I do have some sweaters downstairs on the drying rack. I've got some on my clothing rack here, and I just have some that are in the dirty clothes. So I have more stuff that will be added to this as I go through the rest of my clothing and my dresser and all of that. So stay tuned for part 2. I need to go through these shelves behind me and my hat rack and my clothing rack and my dresser. I still have a lot to do, but I'm feeling good. I feel like this looks so much better than it did. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you are liking my declutter series. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.